Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python as well as Pycharm for your Windows 10 operating system. First of all, you need to open your favorite browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Then type Python because now first we will download Python, then we'll install it. Welcome to python.org. Click. In download you will find the latest version of Python, that is 3.7.2, which I have already downloaded. Uh, then open it, run. Don't forget to add this, then install now. After this we are going to install Pycharm, and also I'm going to tell you that what is the use of Pycharm, but that will be later on. So you can see this message that setup was successful. That means Python has been successfully installed in my system. After this, close it. Go to Start, All Apps. Go to Start, All Apps. In P we'll find Python. Here Python. Here we have ideally Python 3.7, which is of 32-bit, Python 3.7 manuals, which is also of 32-bit, and then Python 3.7 module log, which is also of 32-bit. We'll check it whether it is working properly or not. Let's check it. So this is the shell. See whether it's working or properly or not. Let's print something. See, it's working properly. It's working properly. I have printed here hello world, then 5, then 5 by 2, that's 2.5. It is working properly. Let's see another shell. Here again print. So it is also working properly. 5 by 2. You can see. Now let's move towards Pycharm. Type Pycharm. Here, Pycharm, the IDE for professional developers by JetBrains. IDE, Integrated Development Environment for professional developers by JetBrains. Click here. Download now. Now here we have two versions, that is professional and community. Professional version is for highly professional people who require full-featured IDE for Python and web development. Normally we use community version, which is lightweight IDE for Python and scientific development, which I have already downloaded. Let's click here, run. Next, it's too simple. Let's You need to browse your location, destination folder. Next, back, .py. Next, install. If you use operating system like Linux and Ubuntu, then there you have to configure it separately. But in Windows, it gives you configuration and installing process, so you don't need to configure it separately. Let us discuss that question. What is the use of Pycharm? Uh, Pycharm is an integrated development environment by JetBrains. It is used for development in Python and frameworks like Django. You can customize it with themes and plugins. It lets you to enhance productivity while coding by providing some features like suggestions, local, VCS, etc. Run Pycharm edition. Finish. Let's see Pycharm here. So here's the Pycharm community version. Let's create one project for showing one example or something. Let's name it as sample. So with sample, right click on it. You will find new file. Let's consider a sample.1 py, sample1.py. Okay. Let's print something. Yeah, here's the output. This is welcome. Not in this, we can use your tools too. Python console. Here you can use list, dictionary, tuples, etc. This is the way. By following this procedure you can easily install an Python Pycharm. And let us discuss the question, does Pycharm come with Python? With Pycharm you can develop applications in Python. In addition, the professional edition So here we have followed all the procedure of downloading as well as installing Python and Pycharm. Thank you for watching this video. I wish this video will able to help you out from your problems of installing and downloading Python and Pycharm.